February 28, 2014. A radio station in Brazil received the first signal from the first Lithuanian satellite, Litsat-1. Just 3 years ago, the idea that such a small country as Lithuania could have its own satellite would have sounded as science fiction. Politicians, media and public were openly skeptical. However, it is then that the Lithuanian Space Association and Kaunas University of Technology summoned a team to establish the country's first educational satellite. The launch of the first satellite was a significant milestone for the country's scientific community. Yet lay people feel distant and detached. How to make it a matter of national pride when no groundbreaking discoveries or human drama was involved? And all there was to show? Only a tangle of wires and chips. Our strategy was to step out of the narrow field of science and to speak a language that everyone can understand. We attracted the leading commercial television TV3 and the news portal 15min.lt to be the partners of our project. For more than half a year, twice a week, a special TV show followed the progress of the satellite manufacturing and snappily compared space technologies with simple household tools. Our idea was, with the help of the satellite during the live broadcast, to transmit the 3 most important Lithuanian words right from outer space. What will be the first Lithuanian space message? Let the nation decide. Everyone can participate. Everyone can influence and become a part of the satellite mission. We asked famous TV figures and pop stars to participate in the project, included basketball fans and even our national basketball team. Online, everyone could write and launch their 3 words. In technology events, everyone could exchange cards with 3 words for the satellite model. Nobody believed that people would be so patriotic choosing their words, and that our project would become this big. Involving over 100,000 people, collecting 500,000 words, 3 words were chosen. Lithuania loves freedom. However, this was not enough. In order to stir emotions, we needed an international dimension. And NASA. On 9 October, Lithuania saw this.
3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
For the first time in the country's history, the live TV and web broadcast from NASA's flight facility was organized. Breaking news about the preparations for the flight were provided in real time by the TV and online reporters. It was then when the Lithuanian flag was raised in NASA premises for the first time in history. It is now time to fulfill our most important promise and transmit the 3 precious words. For such an historical moment, a special date was selected. March 11, Day of Restoration of Independence of Lithuania. To make a voice record, we invited common people.
Lietuva myli laisvę.
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 The peak of the mission was the solemn meeting in the Parliament. Lithuanian Parliament members and distinguished guests chant the 3 dearest words. After a half year of endeavor, the efforts of scientists, media, public and civil servants are concluded with the 3 dearest Lithuanian words, transmitted from the first Lithuanian satellite, Litsat-1, right from outer space. In no time, the words were heard by every Lithuanian who waited for the historical moment in front of the TV screen. All this public attention finally opened the doors of the highest authorities of the country. What seemed impossible now was happening. Lithuania became a space nation. Perhaps it will inspire people to believe. Small sometimes can turn into very big.